Here we have a 2012 Holden Commodore SS ute in black. Amazing ute. Excellent alloys and tyres. Looks absolutely stunning. Really big cab. Partial leather seats. Here's your kilometres. Got fantastic stereo system here. Cup holders. Very luxurious. And again, lots and lots of space. Loads of space in the rear tray as well. Soft cover on top. Tub liner. Fit everything you need in there. And fantastic tow bar. Been really well looked after. Full service history. Completely up to date. All been done. Stunning vehicle. Great for work, great for play. V8 power. Loads of space. Come and check it out.